The road is long, but we'll get you there. Engines running in the open air. Things ain't what they used to be, and the future's brighter than we could see. We've been working real hard to get this far, but I had some good help from my guitar. Nobody knows what tomorrow brings, but I'm sure it's full of beautiful things. Roll with me, and you will see that life is full of good things. Roll with me. The wind is blowing through my hair. It's cold outside, but I just don't care. Got a pretty girl sitting next to me. Them things are as good as they can be. Roll with me, and you will see that life is full of good things. Roll with me. There's no use in going the same old roads we've done before. Forward is the only way to go. Roll with me, and you will see that life